Hello friends and welcome back to the Tech Legend channel. So friends, today I will talk about ZOTAC GeForce RTX 4090D PGF Spider-Man modded GPU. So friends, ZOTAC shows a custom RTX 4090D design and the card is not expected to be on sale, and ZOTAC is unveiling a collaboration with ZZJMOD modding group featuring a custom RTX 4090D graphics card from ZOTAC's PGF series, which is exclusive to the Chinese market. And typically this card has a unique shoe-like design and entirely different from previous PGF model, and however beyond some overclocking attempt and customization like this, and the card hasn't attracted as much attention as expected. Perhaps the unconventional design hasn't resonated with many gamers, but the Spider-Man theme mode might be more appealing. As a reminder, the RTX 4090D is slightly reduced version of RTX 4090 and created exclusive for Chinese market to comply with US export restriction, and in future the AD102-250 GPU with 14,592 CUDA cores and 24 GB of GDDR6X memory, and also since it 4090D there is no factory overclocking, and the card has been painted in a Spider-Man sky blue and red theme, and it also includes a fully custom backplate. Note that the design aren't hand painted but printed almost as if it were factory made. So friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.